Hello there, dear friends. We are currently in the city of Voskresensk. The assembly of our AEROLÖT-01 is in full swing. The team has been working almost non-stop for several long days now. The external shell is already finished. At this moment, we're actively assembling our metal structures. As you can see, the tail section is already fully completed. We've stretched fabric over the tail assembly, and we've also carefully installed and suspended the metal frame where our engines will be mounted. Just now, Shamil installed the essential nose reinforcement. Some parts of it will still be refined further. We'll be moving on to the next stage of laying power cables, installing the computer, the batteries, and fully preparing the entire system of electronics. After that, we'll proceed to the next stage, which is the process of gas filling. Right now, we're filling the massive airship with air. Later on, we'll fill it with helium and move on to the first crucial ground test and the exciting maiden flight. So please stay tuned. We'll keep close track of how things develop and witness the historic first flight of the AEROLÖT-01 airship together.
A central pipe with an I-beam, 2 gondolas, and only these crossbars. Well, friends, we've finally filled our aeroplane with gas. And we've installed everything we've talked about many times before.
This includes the nose reinforcement, the nose gondola, the structural frame, the tail assembly, and the rear stabilizers. The team has just finished laying the fiber optic cables and the power cables. We have carefully hidden all of this within the necessary internal compartments. Now that we've connected the engines, we are configuring everything for synchronized operation. After that, we will perform a thorough check of all critical systems and components for functionality and reliability to make absolutely sure that nothing lets us down during the flight. And only then will we look for the right moment and suitable weather conditions to conduct our first flight tests. So stay tuned, we'll be back with you soon.